So what we're showcasing here today is the new MTB Movotrak linear system, also known as rodless actuators. We have 4 different configurations, and these 4 configurations are going to use the same type, the same extrusion, so no changes need to be made. We have a belt-driven bearing drive, ball screw drive, and bushing as well. So we have 4 different configurations in one same envelope. Some of the features that have changed from our legacy units is more efficient design, modular, and we also invested a lot of design to try to reduce the amount of components that these are using. So we reduced to 65% of the units, the components that they use. This will make us able to ship faster to our customers, and also less issues for the customers as well. And also we added some T-nut slots so we can integrate more easily into the 80/20 extrusions. So these also integrate really well with our 7-axis. So we're gonna be able to carry a little bit more bigger robots, collaborative robots. But also I want to mention that these kind of integrate really well with the Kollmorgen Essentials motors. We also supply with ready mount availability. So if you have any type of motor, everything is going to be integrated, right? And the segments that we're targeting, this is packaging equipment, machine equipment like cutting tables or water jet tables. We're also going to have the option to have some protection, like washdown protection as well.